to my channel. Today I'm in a really good mood. I hope you guys are all in a super great mood yourselves. Today we're going to do a face mask video. I know, probably going to be a short video. I have no clue. This time we're going to use the Detox Diva mask from MaskerAide. It has a lot of cool, awesome natural ingredients. It has green tea, lemon, and cactus. All great ingredients to get the skin hydrated, rejuvenated, and replenished. All those great R words. I'm really excited to try it. You get one sheet mask inside. It's supposed to exfoliate and detoxify. We'll see if that happens. Pretty much a basic, simple, easy to use sheet mask, just like any other. Nothing too spectacular. I think the character is cute on the package. That's about it. But we're going to get into it and see how it goes and see if anything happens. Let's get into this video, shall we? And we're back. I changed my complete outfit, as you can see. Hair, face, clothes, everything. Just for this mask right here. I'm going to open it up and see what we get here. Oh my gosh. Super excited to try this mask out. I haven't used a face mask in quite a while actually, like maybe a few weeks now, so I'm hoping that will do something good for me. Put that in the garbage. Ooh, it smells nice and clean. It smells like greens. It smells natural, so it doesn't have an ugly smell to it. You always get this weird, what is it, gelatin looking gooiness from these masks. I don't know. It smells so green and nice. It does smell kind of natural. They might have actually done something right. So, feels like a slippery slug. They all pretty much have a common theme of feeling like a slippery slug. I'm just like, can't they make them a little bit, I don't know, less slippery and sluggish? I don't know, maybe that's just me. Maybe a little bit less product, because sometimes it does make a mess. And when you're trying to figure out where your face is, it gets complicated when you have to fight just to hold it. This is the face mask, as you can see. Just a basic, ordinary, alien looking mask. I'm going to look like an emotionless husk, I swear. Oh my god. They need to make these like different sizes for faces. That's all I know. This nose flap thing is weird. Oh, I got some near my eye. Can't, oh, face. These never match up with my face. It's so cold. This is actually a serum mask, believe it or not. So you can actually rub the product on your neck and décolleté if you wish. There's so much product, so you don't want it to go to waste. The philosophy is, what you do to your face, you should do to your neck and try to do to your décolleté. If possible, if you have the ability to do so, because I don't know if you've seen in older women, but like their face looks super tight, super, you know, young and fresh, but then their neck and décolleté look all sunken in, and they have wrinkles and discoloration, all that stuff that you don't want on your face. But you also have to think about your neck and the rest of your body as well when you're thinking about skincare, face care, body care. What do you want your body to look like in like 80 years? Do you want it to look like a dried up raisin, or something supple, plump, and young? So that's a little thing to think about when you're shopping for ingredients and skincare, thinking about your body type, your skin, just all around. What do you want your skin to look like? And I'm doing it wrong. I know you're supposed to do it up, so I'm doing it wrong. I'm placing the mask on my face as best as I can, and there's like such an excess of product here. It's insane. Like, I can even feel it in my scalp a little bit up here. It's just so insane how much product there is. This reminds me of a Jacksepticeye video I was watching a few days ago. The laugh videos. I don't know if you've seen Jacksepticeye, but like his laugh series, America's Funniest Home Videos, something like that. There was this face product from the 80s, and you turn it on, it's supposed to have like these pulsating vibes on your face, and it's like just a plain plastic mask, and it looks like just so weird and just so odd. It looks so creepy too. It looks like something you, like a murderer would wear, like a Jason mask or something. Like, it was just beyond crazy. If you walked into the house and saw someone looking like that, you'd be like, what are you even doing with your life? Like, what are you doing? You look crazy. You just put away that product and get something else. I'm just like, that's how I feel with this mask. I look like that product. I'm just like, oh my god. This thing is so insane. But it's super tight though. It fits pretty well. Once you get it on your face, it actually fits pretty well. I'm probably eating up some of my mask time conversating with you, but you have to leave it on for approximately 10 to 20 minutes. But I like to do 15, somewhere in the middle, because 20 minutes kind of is like a stretch. It's like kind of too long. You kind of get like antsy, so I prefer to do the middle times with the mask if possible, and depending on the mask and how it feels initially. So I'll wait a little bit and then wait to feel it out and see if I can go the full distance or have to cut it down by like a little bit. It's all about how you feel and what your comfort level is with the mask that you chose. This one is pretty comfortable, so I think I might do 15, maybe 20. I'm not sure. I'll let you know after the time is up. I'm going to set my timer right now for 15 minutes. I'll give it 15. If everything goes well, I might do 20. But for right now, 15. I already ate some of the time up because I'm chatting with you. But it's okay. I love chatting with you guys and doing all that. So it's fun for me. It's like not even a problem. So I'm going to do a full 15. You can see my timer right there, 15. Now it's 14 something. So I'm going to probably listen to some music, catch up on some stuff. Probably look at some of my Avon catalogs that I got because I'm super obsessed with Avon. Avon is everything to me, and just so many great products at a great price. There's so many good deals right now. Go down in the description and check out my Avon shop and search around. There's so many great deals. I can't even tell you how many great deals are going on right now. Valentine's Day is coming up, and you don't want to miss out on these deals and steals. So go down there, check it out, find something special for your special someone for Valentine's Day or for any other special occasion, or if something pops up, one-stop shop. I'm right here. I'm where it's at. So go down there, check out the shop. Let me be your representative today. It really is appreciated. All your support means a lot. So with Avon, watching my videos, all that, it really does mean a lot to me because it shows that you care, and I care about you guys. I love talking to you in the comment section, all that. It actually makes my day go by a little bit better, and it's just awesome to talk with all of you guys. And I like doing these mask videos because sometimes I get to chat with you while I'm making the mask video, and like 2-in-1 combo. So pretty fun for me to do. I really like it a lot. Interacting, trying to be more interactive. So follow me on all my social media and follow me everywhere. I love chatting with you guys. It's so amazing. And this mask is actually pretty awesome because it's like, I don't know, I feel it working. You can feel a little bit of tingles, but like it's not that bad. The mouthpiece area, it just sucks. Maybe because I'm talking too much and I should just shut up, I guess, but I don't want to shut up right now. I want to wear this mask and talk to all of you while I look kind of crazy. It reminds me of that mask in Mrs. Doubtfire where he puts his face in the pie or the cake and the social worker lady comes up and he's like, toodaloo!
Miss Helen? The water's boiling. Hello! Ah!
Oh my god, that's hilarious. That's how I feel right now. vibes all around. I'm having a great time with this mask. It's kind of comfortable. It kind of blocks my nostril right here, but that's the only thing that's happening. No discomfort, no real issues. So I like these kind of masks because they're simple to use and they're just fun to put on and just something to do, you know. I like wearing them. But they do hydrate your skin as well, and I like that it's a serum mask, so that way all the natural ingredients will soak down into your skin and actually give your skin a refreshing resurgence. So that's always nice to have. I'm going to wait out for the rest of the time and get back to you once this mask is done. The timer is up and I used the full 15 minutes for the mask, and it has a very overwhelming chilling effect on your face. Like, it doesn't come on suddenly. You have to like wait it out a little bit, and then all of a sudden it starts getting very cold. Like, your face feels very chilly, but that's okay. That means like everything's flowing and it's all good. So I'm going to take off the mask. And did my face change? Probably not. Still the same. It's okay. Put that in the garbage and just rub all of the serum mask into your skin. A lot gets saturated in the forehead area. That's like a challenge because you have to go like this. It can be worked into your décolleté, work everything into your neck and into your face, get everything nice and prepared for any other product that you're going to use. Maybe switch out the serum that you typically use so that way you're not over bombarding your face with more and more serum, because it would be not proactive to do that. While I was watching videos and just chilling out while the mask processed, I do want to say rest in peace to Kobe Bryant and his daughter and everyone involved in the plane crash that happened on Sunday. Can't even believe that happened. I'm not a big basketball fan, but I know who he was. I do know of his presence and everything back in the day when he was playing with Shaq. I would hear stuff about that. A fond memory is that when I used to go to the swap meet in San Bernardino, which is kind of close to LA, there was a swap meet called the Orange Show. It was at the Orange County Fairgrounds, and during playoff seasons and all that, everyone would come together and I would just see a sea of like yellow and purple, and I always thought that they were beautiful colors. I don't know, it always felt like such a gathering and community, like everyone was on the same page there. It's just like a very nice memory that got brought up when he passed away. So I do want to send my condolences out to everyone involved in the crash. I can't imagine what his wife is going through, because that's just awful, losing your husband and your daughter. And same for the other family, 2 kids that have like no parents at all and they lost a sibling. It's just so sad, and just I can't even believe it. Like, I was watching the update video on KTLA and it's just still unreal. R.I.P. to everyone involved.
God only knows what you've been through. God only knows what they say about you. But God only knows the real you. 'Cause there's a kind of love that God only knows.
Thank you so much for watching my review on the sheet mask I used today from MaskerAide. I like the mask. It's pretty simple, easy, no hassle. So if you can find it online, I'll try to link it down below, but not sure because I got it in a subscription box that no longer exists. I really enjoy the mask. I love doing the mask. I love using the mask. It's just all around pretty wonderful. It has a lot of good ingredients. It really did brighten up the skin and it really did rejuvenate. There was a lot of extra serum, but I think it was used to my benefit. I was able to do my décolleté, neck, and face area, which is always great. You want to get that main region. Pretty good on the amount of product you get and the size of the product. Face mask wasn't so wonky and weird. It did pretty much fit my face, unlike some other products I used. Good on them for making a good sheet mask. Finally a good sheet mask that I can use. If you like the video, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe while you're here. Why not? It's free, and it would be really appreciated so much if you could subscribe. Stay up to date on all the newest videos by pressing that notification bell, and you'll be notified when I post new videos, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. So please be on the lookout for those uploads. Also follow me on all my social media because I love interacting with you, like I mentioned, and you can stay up to date on all the newest videos that I'm releasing every Wednesday and Saturday. So be here or be square. In the description I have so many affiliate links and coupon codes to choose from, so that way you can choose something special for you or someone special. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.